Yes, Prem Katha Chitram, I've seen the film much before I signed this film, and though I could not understand the language correctly, but the feel of the film was like so jovial. Yes, I changed my name to Manara. Manara means something that shines. It's a Greek name. It's not tricky to do comedy. I think the lines which we had in the film, they were very tricky. I never could thought that, a temperature or the climate condition could overpower me. Hi, hello, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Manara Chopra, and my movie Jakanna is releasing this 29th of July in the theatres near you. So watch out for Jakanna this Friday. When I did my Hindi film, well, I'm very new to the industry, everyone knows about it, and yes, I changed my name to Manara. Manara means something that shines. It's a Greek name, and I think we all want to shine in our respective professions, so I chose this one for myself, and of course with the acknowledgement of my family, and I think it's a nice name. I think I'm still the same person. It's it's my screen name, and I like it when people call me by that name, and it's very close to my heart. What made me accept the movie? Well, I got the call from the production house, RPA Creations. Mr. Sudarshan Reddy called me. They wanted to see, they had already seen my Hindi film Zid, and they just wanted to see some of my latest stills. They saw the latest stills and they thought that I probably will suit the character, because they wanted a sweet, simple looking girl, but then bubbly at the same point of time. And of course, I think they wanted someone who's like a good dancer, because you have a lot of dance numbers in the song, which you will get to see this 29th of July. And yes, who can pick up a bit of Telugu. So I managed to do, probably they must have thought I can manage to do that, and that's how they picked me up. And how I picked up the movie is like, I wanted to do different type of cinema, because this is my age to experiment, and being a newcomer, I've been fortunate enough to get different kind of roles. Well, yes, I've done comedy, I've done karate, I've done action, and I've even done dance in the film. But I think above all, the most difficult part was that we were shooting this film, we were shooting the song sequence at Dubai, and I never could thought that, a temperature or the climate condition could overpower me, where we were shooting with almost 55 degrees of temperature, and it was like really hot. So that is something which was very difficult. Otherwise, I had a fun shooting for the film. I had a great time shooting with Sunil. I remember last year I was here for an award function. I was performing for an award function, and I got a call from the production that why don't you just drop in, that you're here for an award function, you might as well just come and just say hi to everyone. So I went on set and I met Sunil sir for the first time. I still remember he was all bulked up, and I was like, oh, is he the same guy I saw in so many comedy films? So, but yes, we had pictures together, some photographs, and I was also feeling shy, and sir was also feeling shy. But then we started shooting, and I got to know about sir, not only about comedy, lot of things, about fashion, about a lot of tips he keeps on giving on day-to-day basis, which are very useful to a newcomer like me. People generally don't like to share information, and he's generally giving information to us, which means he's a very sweet person by heart. So I had a fun time shooting with the entire team. I think it's a part of the trait. This really doesn't affect me. I just go, sometimes people say, oh, why you picked up that film? Oh my God, you should have done that in past. Why? In every profession, there are ups and downs, but you should just keep moving, and you should have a lot of confidence in yourself, and you should have confidence about the decisions, and whatever decisions you take in life, you should be responsible for it. Tomorrow you can't blame anyone else. You should be like, okay, I took this decision at that point of time and I stand by it. So I don't think anything like that. I just go by my character, and I had no problem with any such things. It was not tricky to do comedy. I think the lines which we had in the film, they were very tricky. We used to get dialogues on set, and the words were basically rhyming words. So it was like here, there, where, things like that. So I not being able to know like what Telugu is all about, for me it was very tricky. Like namaskaram, this, and the rhyming words, so it gets little, you just fumble with your words, but we did it, and I hope the timing and everything, the comedy timing on screen works. See, there are films where you will have fault in your lip sync. I can't say that in every film my lip sync will be 100% correct, because I'm doing like 2 to 3 films in South, and it's going to be a growing process. I can't say that, oh my God, I'm the best in my first film. We all grow with time, but I think by the end of it, even when I go and watch a Korean film or some other language film, I don't go by their lip sync or something. We also watch dubbed films. We in India, we watch a lot of dubbed films. We go by the emotion, and we go by the timing, and is that emotion carrying you forward throughout the film? Is it still leading you? I think that is more important. Lip sync, it can be like, there will be places where it might not be correct for me. There are people who are in the trade from the past 20 years, but they still can't dub exactly how they spoke on that very day on location. So that's a part of the trade. Oh my God. Yes, I have learned a bit of kickboxing. I've learned a bit of like everything, may it be dance or may it be fashion or like a lot of things. I'm a very enthusiastic person. I'm like a pro. Like if someone will say, oh, you have to do this, I'll do it. Whether the other person beside me is doing it or not, it doesn't affect me. So yes, and I believe that whatever you learn in life at any point of time, whether it's like cooking at home or even cleaning your house or anything which you do, even stitching clothes, everything helps in your life, and that is an experience which gets an actor to another level. That's why you're called an actor, because whatever you do is from your past experiences. I would love to do a film like Prem Katha Chitram, where there is so much of variation in an actor's character, which I say it like all the time, that I want to do a lot of different kind of cinema, and people should see that, oh, she fits in this bracket also, okay, with this type of hero also, with that type of hero also, with this type of character also, or in that kind of character. So yes, Prem Katha Chitram, I've seen the film much before I signed this film, and though I could not understand the language correctly, but the feel of the film was like so jovial. I remember watching it in flight, that it just, I was just hooked to it. I remember I missed the last 10 minutes because the flight landed, but it kept haunting me that, oh, I want to just go back and see last mein kya hota hai. So of course, I like that film. I think it depends upon the kind of character I get, and if I'm convinced with the kind of character I want to do, and if things are done aesthetically, then I don't think I have any problem, because I being an actor, but whatever I'll do in my life, I'll stand by that decision. I had a fun shooting with Saptagiri. I'm doing one more film with Saptagiri, in which, of course, is comic timings, and we also have few scenes together. So it was amazing working with Saptagiri. Again, I've seen him in Prem Kadar Chitram, but his get-up in my film is totally different, which you got to see on the 29th of July in the theatres near you. And I think people will love Saptagiri for that reason, because of not people have seen him doing comedy, but they have never seen him playing that kind of character and that kind of get up, like, you know, the Chinese looking guy. So that's, I think, really cool, and people will love it. Finally, I just want to say I had an amazing time shooting for Jakanna. I had an amazing learning experience. I met with different kind of situations. So do watch Jakanna, coming this 29th in the theatres near you.
రేష్మి పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కూడా దీనిలో చాలా బాగుంది. 2 షేడ్స్ కూడా చాలా బాగా చేసింది అనిపించింది ట్రైలర్ చూస్తేనే.